Let's look at the components of a range medic. This is the AMP3 range medic. It's available in black, Coyote, and red. All of our range medics come packed in a custom manufactured 6 by 9 by 6 nylon bag. There is a black oxide brass drain hole in the bottom of the bag. There's a Velcro patch for our AMP3 range medic label, or you can put any patch there that you want. This is the loop part of the hook and loop Velcro system. The bags are made out of heavy-duty Cordura nylon, available in red, black, and Coyote. They all have a set of red nylon pull tabs, which are quite helpful to identify these kits as medical, even if it's not in the red color. Zipper is a heavy YKK zipper. On the back is a MOLLE-compatible panel. This makes it easy to attach to any MOLLE-compatible gear, but it can also be used as a place to attach a belt. This is quite easy to do by just taking the self-contained MOLLE strap, running it through the second to the last MOLLE loop, pull it hard, and let the little tab catch, and now you've got a nice, easy, secure belt loop. These bags are also available separately, so you can put any kind of gear that you want, and again, attach it to a MOLLE panel or to a belt. I'm going to open the red range medic. They're all packed exactly the same. They're quite full when you get them, so there's no extra room in the range medic for anything else. Quite the compact but full package. You just open the YKK zipper. Now these bags, again, another nice feature about them is they do not zip all the way from the bottom across into the bottom on the other side. They only unzip about halfway, which makes a little bucket, so it keeps all your items in the bag and they don't fall out immediately. This is quite helpful, especially if you're out in the field. Let's look at the components of a range medic. So the first component up in the front, we always pack these the same, is our blood stopper toolkit, our iFAK, or individual first aid kit. Quite honestly, this is probably the most helpful component in this kit. Out on the range or hunting or any activity that you take this, most injuries are going to be small injuries that are taken care of very easily with the individual first aid kit. The last item in the bag, or the last little module, is our chest seal kit. The blood stopper and the chest seal kit both contain a package of Hoo-Ha field towels. There's 20 white. They measure about 7 to 10 inches. If you've ever dealt with any serious wound, you know that they can be quite bloody and messy. There's a package in the blood stopper. There's a package in the chest seal. And we think that this is so important that we've included an extra package. And that's the very last thing in the range medic.